Tired of guessing if your Google Ads Gclids are actually being tracked? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to use Zapier to verify if your Gclids, those Google Click Identifiers crucial for tracking your ad performance, are being successfully uploaded to Google Ads. First, create a new Zap in Zapier and choose Google Ads as your trigger app. The trigger event should be new click. This means the Zap will activate every time someone clicks on your Google ad. Next, connect your Google Ads account to Zapier. Make sure you select the correct Google Ads account where you want to track the Gclids. Now, the crucial step, add a filter step. Configure the filter to check if the Gclid field exists in the data coming from Google Ads. You're essentially saying, only continue this Zap if a Gclid is present. If the Gclid exists, you can set up an action step. A great option is to use Google Sheets. Configure the action to add a new row to a spreadsheet. Every time a Gclid is found, include columns for the Gclid itself, the click time, and maybe even the campaign name for easy tracking. Alternatively, instead of Google Sheets, you could set up a notification to your email or phone via Zapier whenever a Gclid is detected. This gives you instant confirmation that tracking is working. By implementing this simple Zap, you'll have a reliable way to ensure your Gclids are being captured, leading to more accurate ad tracking and, ultimately, a better ROI on your marketing efforts.